Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the slide and collecting your words. Open PowerPoint and insert a blank slide. Add a text box and paste the word list you want to jumble. Once done, decide your jumble technique, full shuffle, swap 2 letters, or replace letters with underscores, because that governs later animations. Make sure fonts and sizes are readable. This affects legibility after shuffling. Now select the text box, so you're ready to convert each word into separate editable objects for precise control. You now split words into editable objects so you can animate letters independently. Ungroup text by copying a word into individual text boxes or convert to shapes and ungroup. This gives one object per letter. Once done, align and distribute letters to keep a consistent baseline and use grouping to lock them into word units when needed. Make sure to name groups or add tags in selection pane. That makes complex animations manageable. Then preview static layout to verify spacing before adding motion. You finish by animating the letters to create the jumbled effect and then reveal the correct word. Apply motion paths or emphasis effects to individual letters, stagger start times using 0, 1, 0, 3-second offsets, and use triggers if you want to click to unscramble. Once done, preview the full sequence and tweak positions and easing to keep motion natural. If something goes wrong, open the selection pane, correct misaligned letters, regroup affected items, and reapply the animation, timing before your final save.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.